Hello and welcome to our second Java intermediate tutorial. On our first video I showed you how to do a method overloading. As you see, we have created three methods and we have used the same name on all three methods, but inside our parameters, on the first one we wrote integer, the second double, and the third one string. So then we went through how to create constructors. Constructor is a special method which has the same name as our class. So let's start by inheritance. Here we have created a superclass or a parent class. We called it inheritance. This is the inheritance attribute which we have declared it as protected. Protected, final, private, etc. Those are called modifiers, which means protected means that we can access it only from the child class or subclass. And here we have created a regular method. It is an inheritance method. So then we have created a subclass or a child class which will inherit from inheritance class, and here we have declared color as string. This is our subclass child attribute. Now we go to our main Java program. We create an object of the class. Then we are now calling the taste method from the inheritance, and we are going to print out the object of fruits which is inside the inheritance plus the object color which is inside our subclass or child class. Okay, so let's run the program. As we see, we got the first one, the object method taste, which is citrus. We got citrus here, and then we called the object from fruit from the class inheritance and the object color from our subclass or child class. So the apple from our inheritance class and is red from our subclass or child class. So let's go through encapsulation. So what does it mean, encapsulation? Encapsulation means binding object state fields, that are these, and behavior methods, and hiding data from users. So how do we hide data from users? By declaring the field double as private, which means private cannot be accessed outside this class, so we can only use it in this class. Here we have set this method as set amount of kilos as a setter, and inside our parameters we declared amount as double. So we are going in our main method, we are going to input a double number. Here we have declared amount in kilos as amount, and then to print out the amount that we have set in amount in kilos, we need a getter. So we get the second method, get amount in kilos, and return, as it is not void, we will need a return of amount in kilos. So if we go to our main method, we have created an object of the class, and then we set object dot set amount in kilos, and as you see 100.2, as we said here, it has to be a double, which means we need a decimal point. Then we need to get the amount in kilos. This is the getter. So once we get the getter, we are going to print out the 100.2. Let's run the program, and as you see, we see amount in kilos is 100.2. So let's say we need to round up to integer. We need to write int inside the parentheses before the object, the getter object. Let's run the program. And we no longer have 100.2, but we have hundreds. So let's go through an abstract class. What is an abstract class? An abstract class shows essential details and hiding unnecessary details from users. An abstract class cannot be instantiated, which means you cannot create an object of an abstract class. The following cannot be an abstract: a constructor, a static method, a private method, and methods that are declared as final. So let's start creating an abstract class. You write abstract class and the name of this class. Then here we have declared two attributes that are final, so which means we cannot override these attributes. And here we have two abstract methods. An abstract method does not have a body, it's just the signature. And here we have wrote another method, but this is a regular method. So in our subclass or child class, which is going to inherit from types, we're going to write the name of the class extends the abstract class, which is types. Then we are going to call the methods that are in our abstract class, which are kilograms and grams. And this time we are going to insert a body. So let's call the class now. Here we are going to create an object of the class, object, and the class again in parentheses. The first two are the abstract methods, which are grams and kilograms, and we have the milligrams as our regular method. But there's also another way how we can call this class by creating an object. We can first write our abstract class, the abstract class name, which is types, as you see, object, and then the sub or child class name, as you see here, and the rest as above. Let's run the program. And as you see, we got both outputs the same. Thanks for watching, and if you like my videos, please share and subscribe. Thank you.